What is VPN? So that is a topic of this video. VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. A virtual private network is a technology that allows you to create a secure and encrypted connection over a less secure network, such as the Internet. This enhances privacy and security, especially when using public Wi-Fi networks or accessing the Internet from untrusted locations. To understand VPN, let's first focus on how the Internet works. There are Internet service providers called ISP companies in every country. We receive a service from these companies to connect to the public Internet. We use ISP servers when connecting to the Internet. But this is not 100% safe. When you receive Internet service from an ISP company, you are assigned an IP. Your Internet activities can be monitored from your IP address. ISP companies can provide our online activity to governments or advertisers without our permission. We can use VPN instead of using ISP servers when accessing the Internet. In this way, online activities are bypassed from ISP servers. VPN servers hide your IP. When you want to access any site, the site is accessed with the IP address of the VPN server. Now let's take a look at the other advantages of VPN. When you connect to a VPN, your data is encrypted before it leaves your device and travels over the Internet. This encryption ensures that even if someone intercepts the data, they won't be able to decipher it without the proper decryption key. A VPN hides your real IP address by replacing it with the IP address of the VPN server. This makes it difficult for websites, advertisers, or malicious entities to track your online activities. VPNs enhance privacy by making it more challenging for third parties to monitor your online behavior. For instance, your Internet service provider won't be able to see the specific websites you visit. VPNs can be used to bypass geographical restrictions imposed by websites or streaming services. For example, if a streaming service is only available in certain countries, you can use a VPN to connect to a server in one of those countries and access the content as if you were physically there. VPNs are commonly used by businesses to provide secure remote access for employees. This allows employees to connect to the company's internal network from anywhere in the world, ensuring that sensitive data remains protected. It's important to note that while VPNs provide enhanced privacy and security, they are not a cure-all. Users should choose reputable VPN services and be aware of potential limitations and risks associated with VPN usage.